Hi everybody and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be smoking a prime rib. For this prime rib, we're going to be smoking it on our Pit Boss smoker today. You can smoke it on any smoker that you want. We're going to run about 275 to 300. First we're going to build a garlic and herb crust for it, season it all up, take it out to the smoker, get it smoking. It's going to take about 2.5 hours, and we're going to get a taste of it. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. Now for the prime rib rub, we are going to need 2 tablespoons of coarse salt, about 4 tablespoons of minced garlic, a tablespoon of rosemary, a tablespoon of thyme, and a tablespoon of sage. Now we're going to take all of our ingredients, go right into our bowl, and give it a stir, get it all mixed up. We're going to check out our prime rib. We're going to season it up. Now we're going to check our prime rib for any loose pieces hanging off. If so, cut them off because they're going to burn. It's looking good. I'm not going to tie it up. You can if you want. We're just going to add a little bit of oil just to help that rub stick. Let's go in, spread it around just like so. Get in all those nooks and crannies around the edge, the front, just like that. Flip it over, do the other side. It's all seasoned up, it's looking wonderful. We have our smoker set up for indirect heat at 250, 275, 300 max. We're gonna head outside, we're gonna put this thing on. We're at 250, we're smoking over hickory. We're gonna go on in, we're gonna put the fat side up, dead center in the middle. Kind of give it a squeeze, keep it the shape that you want, because that's how it's gonna cook. Now we're gonna shut it down, we're gonna let it go for an hour, and then we're gonna come back and check on it. See you then. We're about 2 hours into this. Let's get a temp of this and see where we're at. We're gonna go dead center. Alright, we're about 118. We're gonna give about another 15 minutes or so till we hit that 125, the perfect medium rare. We're gonna pull it off and let it rest. I'll see you then. Now it's done and out of the smoker and looking absolutely beautiful. We're gonna let this rest for 30 minutes so that way it can relax, the juices can absorb back in, so that way we're not getting a dry bite. I'll see you when it's done. Let's slice into this. Let's go dead center. Oh, look at that. Perfect medium rare. The fat has rendered down perfectly. Oh, I can't wait to get a bite. So let's pan out and get a taste of this. All right, let's get a taste of this. Get a little slice off the top here so we get some of that crust that we developed on it from the smoke, the herbs and the garlic. Look at that, it just falls apart. Perfectly cooked. That herb garlic crust that we put on top, the smoke just goes so well together. It's a great recipe. You can make this for the holidays, the summer, anytime you want. If you like what we're doing here, check us out on Facebook and Instagram at HomeHeadChef. Thanks for stopping in, and we'll see you next time.